We are on the boat.
We are at Target. We just saw Pitch Perfect 2. How was it?
It was really good.
Which one was better?
I like them both.
I like the first one better.
I
didn't laugh as much in this one.
I like the first one because I like to listen to the boys group sing more. But I like the
I like
the versatility of this one. So I like
the what?
the versatility, the different, you know.
stuff.
Yeah.
It's raining.
Yuck. Rain, rain, go away. Come again, not another day.
Never. Where are we going now?
GameStop.
Oh.
Yay.
And then food? Something.
Maybe.
And then JCPenney, because I gotta get a first. And a wall. Ah! Ooh, I might get Starbucks. I should have. I want coffee. Chipotle.
We are on the boat. Is this the first time you guys have been on the boat this year? Yeah?
Yes, it is.
First time on the boat. Bay's really smooth. It's not like Lake Michigan. We won't get sick. Danielle's dancing for you guys.
Smells like fish.
Elena thinks it smells like fish.
Good fish.
This is what I deal with every day. I just captured our whole family in one place. Wow, look how clear it is. Super clear. Super clear. That's awesome.
I don't know how to swim.
We're going, what are we doing? We're just going for a bike ride.
Bike ride?
Bike ride. We can ride our bikes. This isn't a bike, it's a boat. We cleaned the garage earlier today, pretty much all day. I did, by myself, basically.
So you're by yourself?
Yeah.
Why?
I cleaned the garage by myself.
Oh, I thought you said you were by yourself too.
No, not at all, but alright.
We want to go.
Go ahead, go. Yeah, we're golden.
Ready? Not gonna fly away, we don't think.
No, the whole world's got this.
Devin needs that life jacket.
That blanket.
I can reach it.
You need an extra large one.
This one's
That one's pretty big.
all large. That's what.
I don't know if that'll fit me.
Sure.
You don't have to wear it. Mom, you don't have to wear it. No, but I want to know that I'm going to be safe.
Alright. You'll be okay, Mom. You're like super fit now. You can swim miles.
Get that off me. I'm trying to put a life jacket on. Sam's so putting that in.
Right. Now she is. Here we go.
I don't think Charlie has to go to the bathroom. Hello. Hey. Hi. Oh, come here. Why do you want to go outside? Go. Go. Wait for the cat comes. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. There he is. What are you doing? Come on. A weird accent right now. I've been watching too many European vloggers. I just keep talking like them. Why don't you want to go outside? Huh? My mom and I just started watching Game of Thrones. She's seen like the first 2 seasons already. but I just started, and it's pretty good. I mean, it's a little raunchy, but you just gotta kind of close your eyes during those parts, but then the rest of it's really good. Hey, say hi. Charlie. It feels really nice. It's like the perfect night weather right now. It's probably like 65. It's a little breezy and like the air's moist. It feels so nice. Sorry if you don't like that word, moist. I don't mind it. And there's a cat. He wants to come outside, I know it, but he's not. He's not allowed. Not allowed. Hello. You're cute. Alright, I think it's time to go back inside. Come on. Come on. Come on. Actually, let's just sit down for a bit. We're gonna sit down for a bit. Come here. Hey. Say hi. Say hi, buddy. Feels so nice. And by a bit, I meant 30 seconds because now I'm ready to go back in. What? Okay, come on. Come on. Oh, that was a big yawn. Alright, get away. Get away. No sneaking out. Come on. Come on. No, stop. Gotta take your little leash off. Go. Good boy. Well, that was fun. See if I can hook this back on. Oh, this is so embarrassing. Can't get it on. Okay, there you go. Sorry, my hair kind of fell out. Do you like my outfit today? Got my nice pink top. I really like this top, but look at my... I match so well right now. Well, I think I'm gonna get some food and keep watching when my mom gets home. See you later. Alright, it has come to the end of our day. I hope you guys had a great day. I'm really tired, so I'm just gonna go to bed. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We'll see you tomorrow, and remember to stay tuned for our awesome adventure.